Look, nigga hating on me, I don't look at him, I just let him hate. Don't return no calls because I feel like most of that shit fake. Try some in this bitch and we gon' punish him, that's out the gate. You know we going dumb. Lit bitch.
Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy, DUMMTV, and I'm back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Today, ooh, I look fine. I just got my cut, you know what I'm saying? The video coming after this one, though. You know, it's like a vlog or whatever I'm doing. After I made this one, but, so, look, man, today, man, we doing a reaction video, bro, to, nlechoppa, boy. The song called Birdboy. I think it's Birdboy or something like that. So, yeah. I heard this lit, man. Let's get to it. I think I heard like a little bit like that. Start calling my phone. I think I heard that little snippet of that part, but I ain't actually hear the rest of the song. So you might hear me sing it, you know. But it's your boy DUMMTV. Let's get straight into it. Let's get it. In that league.
Hey, huh? Yeah. I don't even think y'all niggas ready. Yeah. They not ready, bro. Tay, they ready?
Yeah.
Tay said no.
What? Yeah.
Huh?
Bullies eat a nigga up like I'm playing Pac-Man. Choppa got the kid bad, leave him on the kickstand. Nigga call me doo-doo, yeah, I'm the shit, man. Nigga talking shit, so I fired on this bitch ass. Glock, freeze him up, yeah. Call that free tag. Choppa, leave him stuck, yeah. That's a glitch, man. If a nigga play, I'ma hit him broad day with the cake, make a nigga go, yeah. Do the race, call it take cake, yeah. Fucking on another nigga bait, yeah. Make a nigga shake earthquake, yeah. Nigga on real, you fake, yeah. I be told them new glizzy, we love told it gone. I do it for real, you do it for fun. When the ops see me, you know they gon' run. I hang out the window, shoot shit like LeBron. You know that I hit them, I had to get them. They thought I was bowling, I had to split them. 7.62, cut them down the middle. Cooking them up like a fucking McGriddle. Saw me in the game, and you know that I'm a score, bitch. Pull up with the gang, twist a figure, make a bang. To be honest, I'm an animal, I can't be tamed. Bullet falling out the sky, let that bitch rain. 2-3 shots, take him out with a bang. Back in the summer, I didn't have a name. Now she suck on my dick while my balls be hanging. Damn, little chopper, she said that you slangin'. Hit from the back, have a change in language.
What the fuck?
Bitch, stop calling my phone. I hit her one time, then I leave her alone. I know I'm not right, cause I'm doing her wrong. Just like a dog, I just want a bone. We making them serve, we serving the cone. I'm a real nigga, you cannot clone. I'm cold with this shit like my first name was Stone. I'm still a menace,
What the fuck?
I am a devil, whole nother level. I'm clutching my metal, cook him like a vegetable. She eating my dick like that bitch is an edible. I'm clutching my metal, cook him like a vegetable. She eating my dick like that bitch is an edible. I'm clutching my metal, cook him like a vegetable. She eating my dick like that bitch is an edible. Back in that grade, I was lame, I was bruised. Now I'm up in high school, getting head from a tutor. Used to be a fighter, graduated to a shooter. Shoot him in the head, I'm trying to knock out his noodles. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a poodle. I sell a bitch a dream like my 9 young ruler. Or like I'm Martin, bullets bless him, that's a hallelujah. Pop, 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 slap, chop.
Yo, I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. nlechoppa, bro, he on top, bro. I ain't gonna hold you up. He doing his thing, bro. Like, he probably not better than my other rappers, but he better than a couple rappers out here, bro. I ain't gonna hold you up. Like, he doing his thing, bro. He really doing it, bro. He doing something that I can't even do. But yeah, but nlechoppa, man, he got him a new chain in this video. Like, he going dumb stupid, bro. I ain't even lying to you. No limit in it. No, I said no limit. No love entertainment. That's finna be the move. Watch what I say. That's finna be the move. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell me what y'all think about the video, man. But yeah, vlog coming soon. Stay tuned. What else? That's about it, y'all. It's your boy Dom, and I'm really slow. Ugh. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing though. What am I doing? It's your boy DUMMTV, bro, and I'm signing out.
Mama told me I'm amazing, ain't no woman I'm chasing. I run a team like Peyton, like chasing. Mama told me I'ma make